How to download the BYDFi app on the Android device. Are you guys facing issues to download BYDFi app on the Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To get the BYD app on the Android device, open the Google Play Store and search for BYDFi app. Look for the app published by BYDFi Fintech Ltd with over 100k installs and 4.4 star rating. Tap install and the app will download and install automatically. Once it's finished, tap open to launch it. Now you are ready to explore BYDFi feature from meme coin trading to copy trading and auto invest options. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna download BYDFi on your Android device. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.